What's up, guys? So I wanted to upload some videos here, kind of document my work. I've got a 69 StarCraft StarTrek V. I'm going to be converting into my TinyBoat here. What I wanted to do is kind of document everything. So these are basically, I should have started this earlier, but I didn't. But as you can see, this is the boat here, the boat itself. 16 foot. Been following, the whole TinyBoat Nation thing, and I wanted another boat, and I thought, well, hell, I'm gonna do this. So as you can see, so far I've already got the everything torn out of it. It actually, somebody tried to do the whole TinyBoat thing, I guess, in the beginning, but it wasn't a very good job. These pieces here is where the subfloor was actually bolted down to. I think I'm going to leave those in. Those are actually really solid. I'm going to cover them with an oil-based enamel before I cover them back up. I'm going to use my pour foam and all that kind of stuff. That piece up there in the front, I'm going to go ahead and re-secure that down and cover it too, just to try to attempt to keep it from rotting out. First thing I did though after doing that was the transom. So as you can see here, I've already taken the transom out, and I'll update all this as I go. But this piece here is going to come out. I'm going to repaint it and re-rivet everything back in. I've already taken the motor out and all of that. I do have the transom ready. I built it over the weekend. So this is what I came up with here. So it was 1.5 inches thick. That's what I ended up with, was 1.5 inches. Glued them together and clamped it all together, screwed it together, keep it tight. And then I put 4 coats of resin on it. I actually just got through sanding it, and now I'm gonna paint it with that same oil-based lacquer. And so that should be pretty solid. So I'll come back and update as I get there, but just wanted to try to document some stuff. So like I said, I'll update this later. You guys take care. Thanks.